Hey guys, let's solve LeetCode 217 contains duplicate. We are given an integer array nums and we have to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, means if we have duplicates, and return false if every element is distinct. For example, in this nums array, we have 1, 2, 3, and 1, means 1 appears 2 times, so we have duplicates and we return true. But in this array, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them are distinct, so we say false. We don't have any duplicates. Similarly, in this one, we have multiple duplicates for 1, 3, and 2, so we return true that we have duplicates. Let's take this example to develop the approach to solve this problem. We're going to solve this using a thing called a HashSet, because search and insert operations in HashSet are big O of 1. So we'll start iterating through our nums array and insert them into the HashSet. That is 1. We'll move to 2 and it is not present in the set, so we'll insert it. 2. Next we have 3 and it is also not present in the set, so we'll insert 3. Next we have 1. But as 1 is already present in the set, means it is a duplicate, so we'll move out of the loop and return true. But let's say if this 1 was not here, our loop would have ended and it would return false because it does not contain any duplicate. There's also a one-line approach to solve this that I'll cover later in the video, so please watch till the end. Let's code it up. We start by initializing a hash set and we take an empty set. Next, we run a for loop for each number in the nums array and we check if that number is already present in the hash set. If it is present, we return true, means we have duplicate. But if it's not present, we add it to the hash set by .add function. And if it has successfully traversed to the loop and there's no duplicate found, means we have not returned true for it. We'll come out and return false, means we have no duplicates. Now, before submitting, let me just share a one-liner approach with you. That is, we can simply convert the nums to set and then compare the length of set of nums with the length of nums and return it. Means if the length of set of nums is less than the length of nums, that means we had duplicates that the set did not include, because set contains unique elements. So it would return true for this, that is, length of set is less than length of nums. But if we don't have duplicates, it would return false. Now let's just go ahead and submit this. And this works. Now let's analyze the time and space complexity of this code, because this one is mostly preferred in interviews. So the time complexity for this code is big O of n, because we are using a for loop to traverse through each element in the array. And the space complexity would also be big O of n because we are using a hash set in it. And that was all for the contain duplicates problem. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next video.